The impressive Kala Pass winds its way up a deep cleft in the mountains north of the village of Kala, gaining almost 300 meters in altitude over 5.8 kilometers, producing an average gradient of 1 in 19, with some sections as steep as 1 in 9. This is a reasonably safe road for most vehicles, but it is a high-altitude pass and is subject to winter snowfalls, heavy summer electrical storms, and regular mountain mists. It's one of 4 passes along the R410 between Queenstown and Elliot, forming a set of giant stepping stones towards the high-altitude part of the Eastern Cape around Barkly East. We filmed this pass in the ascending mode from west to east. As you exit the town of Kala, the road enters an easy and wide right-hand bend as the road follows the eastern bank of a small tributary of the Tsomo River, which flows southwards towards the major storage dam, the Ancora Dam. The road then curves back to the left and crosses the river at an intersection with a T-junction leading off to the right. From the starting point, the large mountain of 1,527 meters looms dead ahead, with a slightly lower peak to the right of an obvious valley. It is between these two peaks that the road purposefully heads. Initially, the road heads into the northeast, then bends gradually back towards the north at the 0.9 kilometer point. The gradients along the first 2.5 kilometers are very easy and average out at approximately 1 in 25, much more compliant with typical port statistics than a pass. But things begin to change at this point as the road curves smoothly back into the northeast. At the 3 kilometer mark, the gradient kicks up quickly to 1 in 14 as the road starts climbing more earnestly up the western flank of the gorge, which begins narrowing perceptibly at this point. There are 2 fairly sharp right-hand corners along this section, both which clear ravines in the mountainside. To the right, the scenery becomes quite dramatic as steep cliffs hem the road and the river in. At 169,000 square kilometers, the Eastern Cape is roughly the size of Uruguay. It's the country's second largest province after the Northern Cape, taking up almost 14% of South Africa's total land area and with a population of around 6.5 million people. Rolling grasslands dominate the eastern interior of the province, whilst the western central plateau is savanna bushveld. The majority of the people here speak Xhosa, followed by Afrikaans and English. The administrative capital of the Eastern Cape is Bhisho, which lies close to the town of King Williamstown. The gorge becomes densely wooded at this point, and at the 4.2 kilometer mark, the road bends through the second right-hand bend back into the northeast, following the natural shape of the gorge. There are several almost vertical cuttings along this section, which are at least 10 meters high, an indication of a stable rock face. Here the steepest part of the pass is reached, where the gradient is at 1 in 10 and soon becomes 1 in 9 closer to the summit point at the 5.5 kilometer mark. The pass ends at the 5.8 kilometer mark at its summit point of 1,516 meters above sea level at a prominent 4-way intersection, having climbed 298 vertical meters to produce an average gradient of 1 in 19. There are 2 villages near the summit on the left of the road, namely the Kala Pass village, and closer to the road is the Sigingqini village. Continue on the R410 for a further 20 kilometers to reach the town of Elliot.